let's talk about some of the trends that we're going to see this year. Whether or not you're somebody who really follows the trends and really wants your hair to be the thing, or you just are looking for some inspiration to take to your hairstylist, I think you're going to get a lot out of these 7 looks. The mid-length bob. Bobs are never going to go out of style. Last year it was the French bob. It was a little shorter. Now all you girls who cut your hair short like that, now you can grow them out a little bit and you can have a mid-length bob. What I mean by that, it's going to be hitting, probably just skimming your shoulder. Make sure that you're putting in some light layers in there so you can get some different effects. Make sure your hairstylist looks at your bone structure and puts those layers in where it's going to look the best on your face shape. Face framing, kind of feathered like layers. Think Jennifer Aniston's hair. We all know what that looks like. I'm talking about just some piecey looking face framing layers. So if you have longer hair past your shoulders, put some layers around your face. How are you going to style them? You're not going to style them where they come and attack your face. I call that octopus hair. You don't want to brush them toward your face. You do want to use a large round barrel brush. Angle that brush with the same angle as your cheekbone as you're blow drying it. That's going to give you movement around your face so you have a soft, more natural look going on instead of just a too done look. The mushroom bob. Have you heard of this yet? This is going to be that haircut for 2024. A mushroom bob is when you don't have any layers in your bob, really. A bob is cut above the shoulders. It's basically just a smooth one length bob. You're going to see more thickness on the bottom than you would up in the mid strands into the root. So it kind of looks like a mushroom, but it's really in right now. Soft parted fringes. It's when you part your fringe. Instead of a full blown out fringe in the front, instead of a full fringe, you're going to have a soft parted fringe. You're going to see that all over the place this coming year. Either people are growing their bangs out or they just are opting for a different look. Jigsaw layers is when you have longer hair. It's more of a deliberate, intentional layering around the face. So maybe you have a layer at your jawline, then you have a layer at your shoulder, your collarbone, then you have a layer, lower. It's not a blended down the face kind of thing. It's a dimensional, deliberate, and this looks really good with thick straight hair, or if you have wavy curly hair, it could actually look really good with that too. Ultra low maintenance highlights. Low maintenance is the key word this year. Low maintenance, natural, beautiful, believable hair. Low maintenance highlights. Just go 2 to 3 shades lighter than what you are. It'll be great. Low maintenance highlights. Basically so low maintenance that you might only have to go into the salon twice a year. That's what I'm talking about. It's when your stylist drops the root or they blend the root color with your highlight so it's grown out a little bit more, but it looks very natural, very believable. Trust me on this. I know it goes against our core, but you're gonna love it. Halo silhouettes. Halo silhouettes is basically like a round haircut and is wonderful for natural texture, curly hair. You see it all over the place. A round haircut where you've got the fringe and the bangs and it's curly. These work so well with if you've got a long face or an angular face. It really softens everything down. So there you have it. The 7 hair trends you're going to see this year. Are you going to be sporting one? I bet you are. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, share it with somebody you might think might like it, share it with your hairstylist. Hey, thanks for being part of our community. And remember, when you know better, you do better. I'll see you next time.